Abhinav met me. जब अभिनव मेरे पास आए कहानी सुनाने के लिए, then he narrated the film to me and he said, I said, which character do you want me to play? So he said, Makhi's character.
Okay.
So I said, why not Chulbul? So he says, Chulbul, I've already thought of somebody. I wanted to play Makhi. I said, but why Makhi then? He says, मैंने आपकी वो जाने दो या जाने ना फिल्म देखी, तो उसमें जो आपका कॉमिक जो टाइमिंग है और वो जो रोल है वो मुझे ज्यादा अच्छा लगा। तो ये मंद बुद्धि है, थोड़ा सा स्टूपिड है और ये इनोसेंट सा भी है, फनी चीजें बोल देता है बिना इंटेंशन के। वो मेरे को फ्लेवर जो है ना इस कैरेक्टर में चाहिए था, तो यू प्ले दिस कैरेक्टर। So I kind of got convinced with this thing, and I also felt that Chulbul was a little different from the kind of role that I've played, and I felt that somebody else. At that time, he had somebody like either Irfan Khan or Randeep Hooda in mind.
Okay.
Because I asked him, I said, who'll play that character? He said, yeah, I'm in talks with either Randeep or Irfan. So I said, who is producing this film? So he says, I've been moving with it for the last 7-8 months. People have said, first you do the casting, then we will take this project on.
Usually होता है.
I don't know what happened to me. I had never even thought about it till maybe a minute before. I said, what if I produce this film? Because maybe things were just constantly working. Because what I heard, I loved the premise that it was. It was a very rustic background, interesting character names like Chulbul, Prajapati Pandey, Rajjo, Chedi Singh, Makhi, and all of that. And the way it was, the basic lots changed from what I heard to what we, because when Salman, I felt, this is what I was thinking. I said, Amir had done Lagan, Shah Rukh had done Chak De. Salman needed a film which is very much like a very Indian rustic film, and I think I heard something that he can do. And I said, what if I produce a film? I didn't tell Abhinav that I'm going to talk to Salman. He says, आप कर लो sir. मैंने कहा कितने में बनाओगे आप ये film? He's saying 8 crore के अंदर. तो मतलब first copy के साथ. He says हाँ first copy के साथ. I said ठीक है, अभी मुझे एक हफ्ता दो. Let me just work out what I can do. I met Salman and I said, Salman, I've heard something very interesting. As it is, from being an actor, I wanted to make the transition to being a producer. And it so happened that I told him and I said, I've heard something very interesting. And I said, this कौन है ये लड़का? बोला ये अनुराग का भाई है। तो first and foremost, Anurag, the kind of film that he was making, क्या ये भाई भी ऐसी फिल्म में तो नहीं बनाया? I said it's a little dark. But if you're doing it, we will change it. Right. It didn't have songs. It didn't have so many things, which were not there. The main character was dark, and it needed to be dark because when you're making those small films, you need it to be hard hitting. But when you have an actor with that image, you cannot go and make it so negative or whatever. So we changed that over a period of time after Salman came, and there the director was very receptive with my, telling him that that's happened. So that's when Salman came in, and from an 8 crore film, it became into a 50 crore film, and it just went, and that's history. And I personally feel Dabangg is like a coffee table book.
Right.
If I ever get down to doing something on that nature, from how it started, and how even Chulbul is known for his mustache. I'll just go a little deviate from this.
Yeah, totally.
So we wanted Salman to play something different.
Salman said nahi,
He said no, absolutely not. He says, I am not putting a mustache. I've not done it in 20 years. Where am I going to put a mustache now? Right. People don't associate an actors in Hindustan.
And he played cops before.
Played cops and, in his own swag, and maybe changed his hairstyle, maybe changed his clothes, but played a cop, whatever. But says, so we wanted, I was also insistent. And we had made mustaches for him and kept ready. Fine, change ho jayega to kar lega. Now he's already worn his outfit. The shot is ready, and he's decided he doesn't want to wear. Now I don't know what got into him. He must have realized that we were really, really keen कि इसको अलग करने के लिए Salman, you should wear a mustache. And Sonakshi came out from a makeup van, and something struck him, and he said, वो शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा टाइप की जो मुस्टैच है ना, वो जरा वो ले आओ. So उससे याद आया. And we had made those kind of, the typical North Indian this thing and cop type. लगाया, बोला चलो. And he went and gave the shot. He wore that mustache which he's synonymous known for. It's like 20 seconds before the shot. So these are cinema. This is accidents of cinema.